From January 1st, 2026, international travel rules are changing in ways that could catch millions of travelers off guard. New passport rules. Starting January 1st, 2026 are being enforced more strictly across global airports, airlines, and immigration checkpoints. And these changes are already leading to increased cases of denied boarding and refused entry. Passport validity, document condition, and renewal timing are now under closer scrutiny than ever before, leaving little room for error. This video explains the most important passport rules that travelers must understand before flying in 2026. So stay with this video to protect your travel plans, and before moving ahead, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for important travel updates like this. Rule number 7, passport validity will be checked more aggressively. Starting January 1st, 2026, passport validity requirements are no longer being treated as flexible guidelines by airlines or immigration authorities. Many countries are strictly enforcing the 6-month validity rule, which means a passport must remain valid for at least 6 months beyond the traveler's planned return date. Travelers who previously flew without issues using passports close to expiration may now face instant denial at check-in counters. Airlines are upgrading their automated verification systems, and these systems are now programmed to block boarding passes if a passport does not meet destination-specific validity requirements. Once flagged, airline staff often have no authority to override the system, regardless of the traveler's explanation or past travel history. Even short international trips can result in denial if the passport validity falls short of the requirement. Renewing a passport well in advance of travel is becoming a necessity rather than a recommendation in 2026. Rule number 6, damaged passports can result in immediate travel denial. From 2026 onward, damaged passports are being treated as a serious security concern at many international borders. Immigration officers and airline staff are applying zero-tolerance policies when it comes to passport condition. Issues such as loose covers, torn pages, water damage, faded ink, smudged photographs, or malfunctioning electronic chips are now enough to trigger immediate rejection. Even damage that appears minor to a traveler can be classified as tampering or document compromise by border officials. In many cases, airlines may refuse boarding before the traveler even reaches immigration control, as carriers are responsible for returning passengers who are denied entry. This creates costly consequences, including canceled trips, missed connections, and lost hotel reservations. Travelers are strongly advised to inspect their passports carefully and replace them immediately if any physical or electronic damage is present before attempting international travel. Rule number 5, passport renewal processing times are taking longer. One of the most overlooked changes affecting travelers in 2026 is the increase in passport renewal processing times. Governments in many countries are experiencing higher demand, stricter security checks, and updated verification procedures, all of which are slowing down passport issuance. What once took a few weeks can now take several months, especially during peak travel seasons. Travelers who wait until their passport is close to expiration may find themselves unable to travel at all, even if flights and accommodations are already booked. Expedited services are becoming more expensive and less guaranteed, and in some regions, appointment availability is extremely limited. Planning passport renewals far earlier than before is becoming essential to avoid unexpected travel cancellations. A valid passport is no longer something to think about weeks before a trip, but months in advance. Rule number 4, passport name. Mismatches are causing more denials. Beginning in 2026, passport name mismatches are being treated as a serious compliance issue by airlines and immigration authorities. Even small differences between the passport name and the airline ticket, such as missing middle names, extra surnames, spelling variations, or incorrect order, can now trigger boarding denial. Automated check-in systems are becoming less forgiving, and once a mismatch is detected, travelers may be required to rebook flights or correct documents immediately. This change is especially affecting travelers whose names include multiple parts, hyphenated surnames, or cultural naming formats. What may have been ignored in the past is now flagged instantly by airline systems connected to immigration databases. Ensuring that the ticket name matches the passport exactly, letter for letter, is becoming critical before confirming any international booking in 2026. Rule number 3. Blank passport pages are now closely monitored. From January 1st, 2026, immigration officers are paying closer attention to the number of blank pages available in a passport. Many countries require at least 2 fully blank pages for entry stamps, visas, or electronic endorsements. Travelers arriving with nearly full passports may be denied entry even if the passport is valid and undamaged. This rule is catching frequent travelers off guard, especially those who travel often for work or tourism. Some visas and entry stamps take up more space than expected, and partially blank pages may not be accepted. Airlines may also deny boarding if destination requirements for blank pages are not met. Replacing a passport before pages run out is becoming a necessary step to avoid last-minute travel disruptions. Rule number 2. Passport expiration during travel is no longer accepted. In 2026, allowing a passport to expire during a trip is no longer tolerated by most international destinations. A passport must remain valid for the entire duration of the journey and often well beyond the return date. Travelers planning extended stays, long layovers, or multi-country trips are especially affected by this rule. Airlines and border systems now calculate passport validity against full travel itineraries, not just the initial destination. If a passport expires while abroad or shortly after return, travelers may be denied boarding at departure or refused entry upon arrival. This change is designed to prevent travelers from becoming stranded overseas, but it also means careful date checking is now essential before any international trip is booked. Rule number 1. Emergency passport exceptions are being reduced. One of the most impactful changes in 2026 is the reduction of emergency passport exceptions. Previously, travelers could sometimes rely on emergency or temporary passports to complete urgent travel. Many countries are now limiting or completely rejecting these documents for entry, transit, or visa issuance. Emergency passports may not be accepted for visa-free travel, automated border gates, or transit through certain airports. This creates serious risks for travelers who assume emergency documents provide the same access as standard passports. Planning ahead and holding a full validity passport is becoming the only reliable way to ensure smooth international travel under the new rules. Traveling internationally in 2026 requires more preparation than ever, and understanding these new passport rules can save you from denied boarding, costly delays, and ruined trips. Keeping your passport valid, in perfect condition, and properly aligned with airline requirements is now essential for smooth travel. Stay informed and plan ahead to ensure every journey goes as planned. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more travel updates and expert guidance.